Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use BlueStack Player. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to have BlueStacks on your desktop and you will need just to download this from the web or on their official website, which is bluestacks.com. So after that, you will need just to open your BlueStacks and from here we will find this menu or this homepage. And now we can start like playing our games on or the Android games using this emulator. So basically here you will find the home, premium games, instant play, and also some web games. So basically this is a diversified tool that you can use. And for example, if you want to instantly play some games, you can just click on the game that you would like and you can start playing instantly. Otherwise, for the other games, you will need just to download them first or search for them like in the App Store after connecting to your Google account. And for example, let's just choose anything that we would like. For example, this idle heroes, and then you will need just to install on the app player, and you will need just to click, and it will start downloading, and you will be able to play it. So there is another thing that you can use with BlueStack is the multi-instance player, which means that you can have like multi-instance of simulators while using BlueStacks. Means let's just go back from here and let's turn off this ad. And basically here, the multi-instance, you will be able to create multiple instances of BlueStack, and you can play many games at the same time or run many applications or run many simulators at the same time from here. And this is the instance that I'm using now. And for from here in the app center you can start downloading your games apps. It's like using another Android. It is only an emulator, and basically you can download any game that you would like after signing to your Google Play accounts, and you can start playing normally and controlling as you can do it from your phone. So basically, this is how you can use BlueStacks. Thank you for watching and see you next time.